Right, so we're going to make our new wreath. We're going to take a whole load of embroidery thread, use a bit of glue and wrap it around balloons. In this case, I've used water balloons to get the smaller egg shape, but you could use bigger balloons if you wish. I haven't had any luck with them. So I'll show you what we're doing. The first thing though is to unravel this mess. Right, now I'm going to put a little dabble of glue of exactly where I want it to hold, and then I'm just going to wrap it. Right, now I've got a little knot. I'm not going to worry. I'm just going to wrap it around. I'll glue it all down in a moment. And now we can glue. Make sure that you get everything covered in glue. I'm using the Elmer's. It's a clear PVA glue, so it's a clear water-based. And once it's all glued down, we'll leave it on a drying rack to dry overnight. Right, now we're just going to pop the balloons and we should be left with a beautiful egg shape, and I've got my favourite little pin to do so with. This guy's looking amazing. There you go, and that will be a hollow egg. Right, so the plan now is I'm going to use my trusty old glue gun and we're going to glue them into a wreath to go on the front door. And I've got some super cute, somewhere, yellow chicks that I bought, so we can have like the Easter eggs and the chicks going on the front door. Make the postie smile. And then we're going to build it into layers going out as well. Right, I decided it's not too stable on its own, so I have some brilliant little copper rings I can just use, and I'm going to use that with a bit of monofilament just to tie them on, just to give them just that little bit extra feeling, security, all of that malarkey, tied on at various intervals so I catch you on the other side. Right, structurally this is sound, but I'm just going to add on a little bit more glue just onto the ends of my knots so they don't come undone in the glorious English weather that we have. Right, so we're almost done. This is all glued on and pretty much set, so we can flip it over. It just adds that little bit of structural integrity. And now the favourite part, I get to add the chicks. So we're just slowly adding the chicks in. And then the final little bit, some ribbon, so we can hang it on the door. Bob's your uncle. There you go. And I think we are Easter ready. Enjoy this one, and I hope you make it and show any pictures down below for us to have a look at. Maybe we'll improve it next year, and what can we do different?